Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. So, let's see. Let's get to number 12 right here in the corner. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, this is big. For a minute I thought I opened the wrong one. I was like, is it really the 12th? This is the I'm gonna butcher this. The Oblifica Professional Seaberry Hair Mask. I was thinking it was lotion for fine to medium hair. This looks so good. It says distribute mask evenly from scalp to ends. Wait 2 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use daily or weekly. That looks really good. I actually really like hair masks, and I tend I use the Briogeo one, and I just kind of leave it, and that's kind of what I used tonight. So yeah, that's exciting, and I think it's like a really good size, you guys. Like, I love when they're like a good size to really try it out. So for Vlogmas Day 12, you guys are gonna see one of my Stitch Fix videos. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you for Day 13 soon. Bye. So here we go again. The last 2 fixes have been okay. So I'm excited to see what I got this month. If you're unfamiliar with my unboxings, what I do is I just go ahead, give you my first impressions, and then do a try on. I'll leave all of the information on what I got down below, so if you want to request it from your stylist, you can. If you're new to Stitch Fix, it's a clothing subscription service where you pay a $20 styling fee every time you request a box, and you get that $20 credited back to anything that you purchase. You have a stylist who curates 5 pieces for you, and you're able to have fixes whenever you want. You can have them monthly, you can have them on demand, you can schedule fixes. So there really is a really nice flexibility on when you receive boxes. You also can request things that you like or don't like, link your Pinterest, and yeah, did I miss anything? I'm not sure. I've done them so often. So if you want any more information, I'll leave all that information down below, as well as a link where you can try out your first Stitch Fix. Okay, so let's see who my stylist was and what they had to say. I've kind of had this for a while, so I even forget what I requested. So, oh, I have a new stylist, and it's Jason. I've never had a boy stylist. This is exciting. Hi Sarah, I'm sorry that we missed the mark last time. Yeah, it wasn't a great box. I see that you're looking to get a happy hour date night fix, so I took it a little edgy. So that's kind of what I was getting, kind of stuff that was not really my style, and that was a little bit what I considered like mature for me. So to kind of like combat that, that dog is so annoying. Freaking dog. Lola, don't get involved. Okay, so to kind of combat that, I was just kind of like edgy, date night, happy hour stuff. So hoping that I'd get a little bit more of some dressy stuff. The dog never barks unless I'm filming. Just the way it goes. I know you typically love jeans, but the Spanx Moto Leggings are amazing, which I have a pair and I love, but not the Moto style, so I'm excited about that. Will look fabulous with a Harper hoodie for a casual yet flirty look. I side up on tops to give you more room in the hips. Oh, I do like my things flowy. So it's just added a fitted cami underneath, and you're ready for some fun. Get fabulous nude and black top look by rocking the leggings with the arty style v-neck sweater because it's a little longer. I sized it up as well. The black Goldray dress is a poly blend, but it has some spandex in it, so it should stretch. You can wear it on its own or try it over either leggings. Animal prints are having a moment this fall, and the Liverpool pair will be cute with either top as well. Style you soon, Jason. Okay, so that's a lot of things. It's kind of like it's like a chunky burrito. So let's hope that there's some good stuff. Very neutrally. Okay, so the first thing is, I don't know. Oh, this is actually cuter than I thought when I first looked at it. So this is the Harper Lane Antara crochet sleeve hooded pullover. It doesn't give you like the full name. An olive for $68. Super cute actually. So it's this beautiful green and it has these crocheted arms, as well as this kind of like detail down the back. Like, how cute is that? I kind of like that it's like a hoodie and it's kind of basic, but it kind of the crocheted detail and the holes in the back kind of give it an edgier, like updated look. So that's cute. Okay, here is a black dress, and this is by Goldray. And this is the Treva zipper detail dress, and it's $74. And I don't really love this. I don't know. It just makes it, I feel like, look cheap. But it's a really nice dress, and it kind of has this undone hem. So that's actually really cute. I just wish that it didn't have this zipper. I don't know why. I just kind of feel like it cheapens the look. I don't know if that's just me. And here are the Spanx. I actually really like these. I can't wait to try these on. The Spanx Jalila Moto detail legging, and they are $110. So super cute. These are just fun because they're comfortable and they can really dress up an outfit. So excited about those. This is the Reese ankle legging. Oh, this is the Liverpool Carolyn printed legging, and these are $78. And I really like Liverpool jeans, and these are leggings. Okay, I hate these already. And the reason why I hate them, and I actually have gotten quite a few of these kind of leggings in my trunk club. I freaking hate a legging that has a seam down the front. I don't know, I just don't like it. Never have put them on, and I just can't stand it. So those are for sure going back. I'm sorry, I just can't. I just don't. I've never have, never will. And typically if they have that seam down the front, they're thicker, and I just can't get on board with that. So anyway, the last thing is the Arty Style Anelie. I've got weird names this month. A V-neck braided back detailed hoodie. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is it. This is really cute. Oh. Whoa, stop it. This is so cute. So I love a V-neck sweater. How cute is that? And then the back. Dying. This is so cute and so soft. And did I say how much this was? This is $74. So oh my gosh, I love it. So just so you're aware that if you're watching this and you're like, those are really pricey, yes, I do have a wide range of prices I'm willing to pay for pieces. I find that that's just where my comfort level is, but you can specify when you do Stitch Fix if you want something on the lower end or the higher end. So just so you're aware, these aren't always the prices that you get. And I do actually play with the prices sometimes. Okay. I'm so excited to try these on. Jason, you did me good. Okay, let's get to the try on. Okay, so here's the first sweater. It's actually really cute. It's got the little like armhole details, which is also kind of fun. And then like the back is cute. I actually really like it. Okay, here's this sweater. It's so heavy and it's a little big, but if you like something like off the shoulder, I love the back. It's really cute, but this is a little too big. So I think that this will just be, I need a smaller size. So super cute though. Okay, so here's the dress. My boobs can barely breathe. It's cute. Again, I don't like the contrast of the silver, and it's like big right here, like, but it's really tight through here. And you could, I guess, like, I don't know, even then I have a little tank underneath. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the bottom. You can see the bottom, like, it's cute and it's like fits fine here, but again, it's just like fits funny up here. P.S. my tripod broke today, so I'm trying to make shift with filming this so you can see the bottom half. Here are those leopard pants. I hate them. They're itchy, uncomfy, and thick. Yuck. Okay, so here is the Spanx Moto. They're so comfy if you don't have a pair. They're a little long on me, which with the Moto, I don't know. But, you know. So I definitely have some decisions to make. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. The leggings and the dresses I'm going to pass on. I like the Spanx leggings, but I kind of feel if I have a pair of plain ones, I don't need another $100 pair of Moto ones. So yeah, it's probably, I might get both sweaters, I might get one, but again, I really like that tan one, but it is definitely too big, so I'm definitely going to see if I can exchange that. So overall, it was a really good fix. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.